Inside every MRI scanner, a powerful magnet lines up the atoms in your body like soldiers at attention. When the machine pulses with radio waves, it knocks those atoms out of line. As they snap back, they send out signals, building up a picture of your insides. But what's with the noise? Those loud, rhythmic thuds and beeps aren't from the magnet itself, they come from the gradient coils. These coils rapidly switch on and off, changing the magnetic field to pinpoint different areas of your body. Each time the coils switch, they vibrate hard, and that vibration is what you hear. Bang! Clack! Clack! It's basically the sound of electricity wrestling with metal, all in the name of getting crystal clear images.